Today is October 30th. I am at the Naperville, Illinois to get my car fixed. Here it's Safe Light Auto Glasses because my car has the windshield has cracks already for almost 2 years, and it's very invisible. It's very hard to see. But before I left New Jersey, I got stopped by the police. I was very surprised, and because this crack has been here for 2 years, and right before I left New Jersey, I got stopped. That's why I am here, trying to get that fixed before we drive to Seattle. Now I am at their customer waiting room. And here's a cool thing. And they have tons of magazines. You see here. And from the cover, the magazines looking make you want to read all of these magazines. So that's a really good thing, because sometimes before the car get fixed, you might wait a long time. All right, so let's check out this magazine, NYLON, featured Licky Meijia. She's a very famous rapper, and I love her. So let's see how many things how many things inside about her. Right. So actually, this is maybe feature her, but we never know where she is. But actually, this is really a good magazine. I have never read it before. Seems like it's all talking about beauty thing. Oh, here, this is Licky Meijia, and it's all about the beauty and makeups, and it's very fashionable. So I think this is really for women and girls. Right. Wow, it's all very new clothes, and also some good articles talking about those famous peoples. Well, this is really good magazine. I really should subscribe or have for the every new edition released. Well, that's really good. See, who is this girl? I don't know. Okay, all right. So let's go to this magazine, Naperville. This is a very famous magazine. So women are strong as hell. Serena. I think she is a very famous tennis player, and I watched her back 10 years ago on the U.S. Open, and I couldn't remember she got a number 1 or number 2, but actually it's all between the sisters. If she's second, then her sister is first. If she's the first, then her sister is second. And let's see what's inside. And this is also, seems to me, it's not seems to me, so Lancome. And in China, we talk about, we say, what they interpret the Lancome. Couldn't remember. Oh, this is a Lanco, right? Okay. So this is Estee Lauder. It's all about the makeups, the perfumes, and everything. This is also another brand of the makeups or some beauty stuff or cleaning stuff. So, Maybelline, New York. Okay, so it's all about the beauty. I'm wondering because people come here, most are men to take their cars, so many magazines all about women. stuff. So this magazine is glamour again, so maybe it's different edition. So you will see it's all about the beauty, fashions, and entertainment. So they feature Jennifer Aniston. So she's a very famous actress, Hollywood actress. You know, if you watched Friends, then you remember her. Okay, so what is this? So this is most likely talking about movie or some articles about the movies and actors. And see here is all the celebrities or famous Hollywood actress or actors. Right, this one every day. So seems they featured Michelle Obama. So most likely they're talking about family stuff or cooking. Yeah, it's all recipes, all the cooking stuff. Okay, so this is all the feature. I believe a man might look at this magazine. So this is featured by Matt Damon. He is also celebrity. Okay, so inside it's all about male model. So yeah, it makes sense because the cover featured him. So they should be all about the man health or fitness, that kind of thing. So this Naperville, this is this town, Naperville, Illinois. So might be talking about this town, what's happening in this town. So it's all family, housing, your best body. So this, this also featured opera. So might be something related to her. This might be the guy thing and another guy thing. So they talk about blow up your body weight, workout. So it's all about the workout thing. So another one. Yeah, this is a featured woman, talking a lot of other things about sex, Okay. All right. So this is the last piece of the work. I'm very interested to see how this finally gets done. Yeah. Okay. It looks so good. Yeah, I study mechanical engineer, but I don't think this related to the engineer stuff because engineer always talk about the engine. So they have changed the windshield. It's maybe it's very different from engineer things. It's all the outside, but to me it's still very new and very interesting to watching he's doing. So he is very efficient. So he knows what he's doing and very impressed. That's a rubber, right? Oh, it looks so new. I love it. And wow. Is that possible? You're also gonna clean inside?
You just put me outside.
Oh, you only do the outside.
Then inside already clean.
Already cleaned when
Yeah.
before you put it on. Oh, that's nice. I hope I'm not on your way. I'm gonna go to this side. Well, thank you for that. That's extra. It's really helped because this car, I'm gonna take this car for a long distance travel. Are you the only one work here during the Sunday?
Huh?
Are you the only one work here during Sunday?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm the only one here.
Oh, I need, yeah, I still need the paper. That's good. I think you already did a lot of work, extra work.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem.
Wow, so now you see the new windshield does make a big difference, and it's very clear, and of course you saw him clean the glasses, you know, but what I can see is that cracks, you know, of course his new glasses crack has been
Maybe you're not a numbers guy. Maybe you don't.
So now I'm back into Tom Nam's house, and let's take a final look of this car with the new windshield. So it looks so great. So there is no more crack on it, and I really love it. Okay, it's really great. So you see the reflection of all those beautiful trees. Let's check the final bill. Let's say Safe Light Auto Glasses, and you see this is my car information. Make Toyota, model Camry, year 2001. Actually, it's a very old car. That's why I was hesitating to fix that windshield, and stay there for almost 2 years. If the police didn't stop me, I wouldn't fix it. But anyway, I'm very happy because the final bill, you can see it's only 20. Oh my gosh. All right, so the final bill, you can see, oh my god, oh Oh, oh. Don't fly. Don't fly. Ah! You fly away again. Okay. I need to catch you. Okay. Alright, so the total bill is $226.63. Wow. It looks good. Looks good. Thank you.